friends! How is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
Food, Part 2, Meat and Poultry Products. Lamb chop, sirloin, prime rib, diced beef, beef ribs, leg of lamb, T-bone, minced meat, sausages, beef tongue, beef heart, beef liver, rabbit, turkey, duck, chicken, breasts, drumsticks, chicken wings, eggs, Parma ham, bacon, and pork belly are pork, and pork is forbidden in the Islamic and Jewish religion.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!